Hi, it's Rachael Smith with Remax in Siem Reap. Come check out what we're going to tear down today. Okay, so here we are at the old house. And here is the entrance. This is all made out of palm trees. This has been here for about 3 years this way. Got like a nice rack to hang things on. This is kind of the entrance right here. Dirt floors. Looks like maybe they had some like vinyl flooring that they would put down. They just got a lot of rain yesterday though. And so this is the main room, bedroom area. Bamboo, pretty hard, pretty sturdy. Everything's been taken out because we're going to demolish this today. And we've got some electricity in here. They've got a fan in here. Not too hot out here today. They've also got this built up on posts in here. Bamboo posts. I don't know.
What?
And then we're gonna go back here. They've got the roofing material. These are gonna be all the construction stuff that we're gonna be building the new home with. They do have a window out of the bedroom area right here. And then this is the chickens' coop. And then all the chickens will be underneath. We've got a lizard in here. Look how big he is in that pile. And then this is going to be the toilet up here. And then I'll show you the kitchen area. So here's a lot of the stuff that came out of it. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen area. And this is where all the cooking's gonna be done. I'm guessing like a fire underneath here. Oh, they've probably been donated this well right here. Water for Cambodia. Yeah, I think it's a well to get clean drinking water right there. It's pretty cool. Okay, let me know what you think. So this is gonna be, oh yeah, this is the well right here. Or like pumping water. It's pretty clean water, you can see through it. Like a little cleaning station over here.